pay too much money for my upkeep to be having free conversations. I had somebody reach out to me. They have been reaching out to me in my DMs, and I was kind of ignoring it, just leaving them on red because I'm not interested. And today they consistently message me, and so I said, okay, I'll answer. This morning I had a shampoo appointment. And so I answered, and they were like, am I disturbing you? And I said, I don't converse with men that I don't know. And they said, well, let's change that. And I said, well, I'm actually on the way to go get my hair done. You gonna contribute to that? They sent a long paragraph asking me to explain why they should do that. And they said now they understand the kind of woman that I am, on and on and on. And I said, no problem, no worries, have a good day. I feel like this. I keep my nails done, keep my toes done. So nails, toes, every month. I get my hair done every month. This is a luxury style. I keep my hair up, right? So getting my hair done every month. Nails, toes, hair. I own my home. I got an acre of land. I have to get my grass cut. I get my yard work done by myself. All of that is covered by myself. I have a nice body. I get that done in the gym. I have a gym membership. I clothe my nice body with nice clothes. And so I have to go shopping. And I wear makeup, which I enjoy. And in the comments, I don't care what you got to say about makeup. But I also spend money on that. And so to keep this up, I also eat on a meal plan that I have created. And so for that meal plan, I have to go grocery shopping to eat off of the meal plan that I have created. And so all of this takes money. It takes money to upkeep this. And so why am I having free conversations? And it is okay. It is okay if you don't feel the way that I feel and you are having free conversations. But I think about this, especially if you're messaging me when I'm on the way to an appointment where I'm about to spend hundreds of dollars to get my hair washed. And
all right, y'all, hear me out. Before y'all start to jump to conclusions and think that I'm about to talk about this young lady and that lace wig or whatever she got on her on her head, I'm not going to do that, okay? It's too many people out here that's been basically just talking about those things. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it a band with you. I respect where she's coming from. I have no issue with anybody that's not complaining about the choices that they've made and whatever consequences or whatever comes behind whatever choice that they make. Hey, if you good, then I'm great. If you like it, then I love it. I don't have any issues with that at all. But I think that we got to be honest with ourselves, right? And I would appreciate if these type of people be honest with themselves. You ain't nobody really checking for you like that. There is nobody out there really checking for you. If that guy was DMing you or whatever, it was probably just for a good time. You know, she said something about she got a nice body, and I guarantee you the reason why that dude is inbox you or trying to talk to you is just because of that. He's seen that you got a nice body, and he just trying to see what's to that. I'm just here for a good time, not a long time. I don't care nothing about all that extra stuff. No, I'm not willing to pay for your hair, your nails, your makeup, or to get your hair. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing any of that mess, man. Like, listen, they would have probably been able to get, you know, the guys of yesteryear, a simp or a beta male to do it, but most guys in this day and age just not willing to simp out for these young ladies anymore. I don't give a damn what you look like. I don't give a damn if, you know, that bill is 20, 30. I don't care nothing about that, man. Listen, like, what you not willing to do, I'm pretty sure I can find another chick that look a million times better. That would be more than willing to come holler at your boy. I'm not about to be out here wasting my time with chicks that, man, listen, I'm not even gonna go there. Again, I've seen so many people putting out, you know, this video, reacting to this video, and it's clear. It's crystal clear that this young lady is not the most attractive woman in the world. And you would think, if you just listen to the video, you would think that this young lady got to be a dime. I mean, at least got to be an 8, a 9, or a 10. That's the type of energy that she's putting out here. That she an 8, a 9, or a 10. But you go back and you look at the video, you're just like, yo, bro, ain't no way in the hell. What in the world has given some, has given some of these, not all, but some of these chicks that look like this, I don't want to say the balls, but but have given them the guts to come out here and put this stuff out here on a public social media platform and speaking so boldly. Like, you got a lot of confidence for whatever reason. Again, if you are getting guys to do that, which she's not, because she said that she's taking care of all this stuff herself, that literally came out of her mouth. If you are already doing all this upkeep, what the hell you need my money for? Huh? Explain that to me. Why, if you're doing all of these things, and again, that's what some of them decide to lead with, their money, their accomplishments, the things that they have. I got a house on an acre. Congratulations. That is phenomenal for a person, a human adult. That's phenomenal that you got that going on. But don't think that just because this guy is just wanting to go out on a date with you, that he gonna start footing all of those other bills that you have. What sense does that make? Like, you are basically a complete stranger, and you out here asking strangers to pay for your bills that you're doing all these things yourself. So why in the world are you out here panhandling? Hey, can you since you want to take me, or you want to take up some of my time or whatever, then you need to pay $200-300 for this wash or this hair appointment that I have. What sense does that make? Your time ain't that damn valuable. I mean, unless you have people that think like this. If you want to remain single, cool. Again, I got no issues with that. But you have so many of them that come out here spitting this BS, and then you look at them a year or two later on down the line, they're crying, they're upset because they don't have anybody. You done worked your entire life, and you done prioritize all of these other things: cars, houses, monies, career, and you don't have a family, you don't have a husband, you don't have children, you have no legacy, you have nothing, honestly, of real value. Like, that other stuff is low-hanging fruit. Money and the things that you can buy with money, like, that's literally low-hanging fruit, man. Like, I understand, you got some guys out here that, want to work because they feel like that's their purpose or whatever. But far too often do I see people, men, women, that put materialistic things, on a freaking pedestal. And then later on in life, they out here complaining. It just makes absolutely no sense to me, man. Y'all let me know what's going on, man. Y'all, fellas, I'm talking to the fellas right now. Would y'all be willing to go ahead and pay for, I don't know, if she's getting her hair washed or whatever, just to get some time with a young lady that looks like, I'm talking about her specifically, all right, or somebody that looks like her? Would you be willing to foot that bill in order just to get some time with her? Let me know down in the comments, man. And ladies, I'm open to listening to y'all as well. You know what I'm saying? Maybe y'all can enlighten us on what this young lady is talking about. Please just let me know down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. That's crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.